Cells in the City
by Sierra Cross
and Emma Fancher. The nucleus of a cell acts as the control center for the cell. It works to organize all the productions that go on within the cell. Like the nucleus, Obama tries to control the country.
The nucleolus and organelles of the nucleus manufactures ribosomal RNA, which in turn produces the protein for a cell. Likewise, Congress makes bills for the country in order to help it run efficiently. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum takes the food it's given and turns what it can into energy that can be used and takes out the unhealthy things like drugs and poison. A recycling center takes certain items and uses the products it can for good, but takes out whatever may be unuseful.
The rough endoplasmic reticulum has ribosomes attached to it, and it is the organelle where most of the protein is made. The proteins made by the rough endoplasmic reticulum are essential for many functions in the cell. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is like a street because it is the transport system for many cars. Each car contains a person who does a specific job to help the world function. The Golgi apparatus is the packaging and receiving center for the cell. It gets transport vesicles from the endoplasmic reticulum, and after some processing, dispatches its product across the cell. Santa's workshop, on the other hand, receives letters from children across the world. Then it makes the gifts and takes them to all the children. The mitochondria of a cell is its powerhouse. It turns energy into forms that can be used by the entire cell. Similarly, a nuclear power plant takes steam and turns it into electricity, which can then be used over a widespread area. Chloroplast takes energy from the sun and, along with water, makes sugar and starches for a plant's food. A chef takes ingredients that are given to him and turns them into a delicious meal.
The vacuole of a cell stores the food, water, and other minerals a cell may need. A storage unit will store anything a human may need. A lysosome breaks down unneeded material in the cell. Similarly, a garbage truck disposes of the waste in a city. The cytoskeleton helps with the shape, support, and movement of a cell. The frame of a house does the same thing, making sure the house has the structure it needs. In cell division, centrioles pull the chromosomes apart and take them to the side of the cell they are needed. A magnet attracts what it wants to the specific end of the magnet it accompanies.
The plasma membrane of a cell is the outer layer that keeps everything inside the cell that needs to be there and blocks out material that isn't needed. Earth's atmosphere does much of the same thing, keeping the Earth together and controlling the temperature and climate.
The